Hello everyone, I'm Boturjon, and today we will learn present continuous tense, present perfect, and some adverbs: ever, never, yet, just, and already. Well, look at the photos. Who are Kevin and Julia? So this is Kevin, and that girl is Julia. Where are they? What time is it? And what is the problem? So we have the answers to those questions here. So Kevin, so this man is Kevin. So Kevin is Julia's dad. Julia is his daughter. Julia is in Sydney, Australia. Kevin is in London, UK. It is 1 p.m. In Sydney and 2 a.m. in London. So Julia is calling Kevin in the middle of the night. Well, so this is the conversation of Julia and her father, Kevin. Well, read the conversation and pay attention to the highlighted sentences here, highlighted in blue. Well, I'm phoning, so I'm not sleeping here. Your mom is still sleeping. How are you doing? We are cooking and we are having. Read the conversation. So we have some sentences here taken from that conversation. Read the sentences about those people. What are they doing? Julia, she's phoning her parents. She's talking to her dad. Julia's parents. Her dad is in bed, but he's not sleeping. Her mom is still sleeping. Julia's friends. They are having a barbecue. They are cooking steak and sausages. So grammar spot. So present continuous. So it describes activities happening now. Demak, present continuous hozirgi davomli zaman, hozirgi nutqimizda bo'layotgan, davom etayotgan ish harakatini anglatadi. For example, I am learning English. Men ingliz tilini o'rganyapman hozir, ya'ni. You are sitting in the classroom. Siz sinfxonada o'tiribsiz, demak hozir. Yasalishi am, is, are, unga asosiy fe'l va oxirida ing qo'shimchasi qo'shiladi. Question, so how to make questions? Demak, am, is, are, to be fe'li eganing oldiga olib qo'yiladi. Shunda savol hosil bo'ladi. Are they having dinner? Ular kechki ovqat yeyishyaptimi? Is she going to work? U ishga ketyaptimi? Negative. Demak, inkor shaklida. Am, is, are dan keyin not yuklamasi qo'yiladi. Qisqartirib ishlatilishi ham mumkin. Negative. He isn't learning English. U ingliz tilini o'rganmayapti. We aren't sweeping. We aren't swimming. Biz suzmayapmiz. Now, work with a partner. Ask and answer, well, these questions about the people. So we have some cues for the questions. Make them complete and ask and answer questions. For example, what is Julia doing? She's phoning her parents. Why is she phoning? Because she wants to know how they are, and so on. And now, present perfect. Well, read the sentences. So we have 8 sentences here. Read the sentences. Pay attention to the form of the verbs used here. Have been, have never been, has been, and so on. I will read 3 or 4 sentences for you. I've been to Rome many times. I've never been there. She has been to London and Paris. She hasn't been to Rome, and so on. Well, the present perfect tense refers to an action or experience that happened at some time before now. Well, for example, she has traveled to most parts of the world. U dunyoning ko'p joylariga sayohat qilgan. Have you ever been to Paris? Siz hech Parijda bo'lganmisiz yoki siz Parijga borganmisiz? Well, Now, the past simple tense, so it expresses exactly when something happened. For example, I went to Mecca last year. Men o'tgan yili Makkaga bordim. When did you go to Prague? In 2017. Pragaga qachon bordingiz? 2017-yili. The present perfect is formed with have, has, and plus the past participle. Demak, present perfect zamonini shakli, fe'lini shakli shunday bo'ladi. Have yoki has, unga fe'lning sifatdosh ikki qo'shimchasi qo'shiladi. Sifatdosh ikki shakli qo'shiladi. Have, has, the participle, to, or the past participle. Well, pay attention to this table here. So we have some examples for positive and negative. For example, I have been to Beijing. I haven't been to Milan, for example. So he has been to Milan. He hasn't been to Beijing. Ever and never. Pay attention to the use of ever and never. Has he ever been to London? Demak, ever savollarda ishlatiladi. Has he ever been to London? U hech Londonda bo'lganmi? He has never been to London. U hech qachon Londonda bo'lmagan yoki bormagan. A question. So how to make questions? Demak, savolida have yoki has eganing oldiga o'tib qoladi yana. Question. Well, have you been to Russia? Siz Rossiyaga borganmisiz yoki Rossiyada bo'lganmisiz? Yes, I have. Ha. No, I haven't. Yo'q, bo'lmaganman. Well, we have a conversation here. Complete the conversation with these words. Now, let's check your answers. Well, I will read it for you. Repeat after me. Have you ever been to Australia? No, I haven't. Have you ever been to Italy? Yes, I have. When did you go? 2 years ago. Where did you go? Rome, Florence, and Venice. Wow, did you have a good time? Yes, I did. It was fantastic. Now, dear friends, work in group. Well, tell each other which countries you have or you haven't been to. So we have some countries here. And you can use these examples. For example, have you been to Egypt? Or I've been to Italy, but I have never been to the US. I haven't been to any of those countries. Or I've never been to Korea. Yet, already, and just. Yet, already, and just. So these are adverbs. So yet is used in negative sentences and questions. For example, have you done your homework yet? Uy vazifangizni qilib bo'ldingizmi? I haven't done it yet. Men uni hali qilib bo'lganim yo'q. Just. So it is used in positive sentences. Just hozirgina, endigina degani. I have just done it. Men hozirgina uni qilib bo'ldim. Already. Allaqachon. Already is used in positive sentences. For example, I have already done it. Men uni allaqachon qilib bo'ldim. Well, we have some questions here. Complete the questions and answers using just, already, yet. Complete them. Now let's check your work. Have you finished packing? No, not yet. I've only just started. Do you need to buy a new backpack? No, I've already got one. I bought it last week. Have you heard from your aunt yet? Yes, I've just had an email from her, but I haven't read it yet. So this is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.